Adam and Kennedy. Addison is here. And we'll show you when you get on the boat. Alright, we made it through security. Now we're walking up. Over some creepy bridge with weird lighting. There's over there. Oh yeah. Huh? Oh. I don't know what that noise is, but we're in a creepy little bridge. You need your ticket, Addie? Is that what you're saying? Play some basketball? You want to play some basketball in a net? In a cage? Oh, people are playing. Boys are playing. In flip-flops. That is not proper basketball attire. Oh, Addison can get her kickboxing on. Get it. Get it, girl. Little exercise place. We're right below this line. Room. We are on the first floor, which I like. Right now it kind of stinks because like we're on the first floor and we can see everybody directly right outside of us. However, when we're on the water will be like right level to us, or might even be, depending on the boat, it might even be above us. We'll have to double check that when we actually get out there. But if the water's right below us, we can see fish and dolphins if any are flying. Not flying, they don't fly. Are swimming by. But I'm gonna turn the camera on and show you our room. All right, so here's our window I was talking about. There's the lovely workers loading. Hi. Something happened to us just now. We just came out that door and we don't know how to get out of here, so we're gonna walk this way. Let's see, that's the boat I wish we were on.
I know, forget it.
It's a Disney boat. I don't know, we've never been on a Carnival cruise, so you know, first time experience. We will let you know how we feel about it. Windy. Hello. You were just here.
That's awesome for me. Like tomorrow.
outside, I believe, on the back of the boat. We're gonna go over there and see by a pool, which I'm not sure if it's an adult only area or not. We haven't quite figured out what we're doing. Holy guacamole, we're really high up. Yeah, we're in the back of the boat. There's the water behind us. I don't like being up this high. I think we're on the 10th floor. I don't know, but let me turn you around and I'll show you. So there's, these are decked patio, personal like patio balconies, and then there's those people, and then the water. And then that's what we'd rather be on, is the Disney. Well, it's the only one we know is the Disney, so I don't know.
See Dumbo?
But there's the port and all of that. Bad weather, it looks like it's coming that way. I guess Hurricane Florence is supposed to hit land sometime, and it's not supposed to affect us, but we're going to be in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, so it'll probably affect us, but we'll see. We pushed off. We're being escorted by the Coast Guard right now. We're going that way. All right, so we just pushed off. You can see, that's the Disney boat that was right next to us. So we were right in between the two right there. And we're going pretty slow, but we're going. The Coast Guard is now behind us instead of, it was right, like almost in front of us, but it's going. There's Ken. Kennedy, say hi. Hi. Look at that boat right there is kind of really neat looking. Addison isn't liking the height, so she's sitting back there holding my water. And there's some people over there that we're waving to. And there's them. Found you.